Hey everyone, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to my page. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing something so special to me, So I bought a new phone. You guys should guess which phone. So my first time that I will buy this kind of expensive phone, I've never tried in my life. I never tried it before. So guys, let's unbox. I give my son to unbox it with me, because it's special to me. The phone, omo, not go area. If you see this phone, it's so beautiful. If you see the camera, not go area. So guys, stay tuned and let's unbox it. It's Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this is the phone, and they want to unbox it now. My son wants to remove that paper. That paper when they did the body now. So they remove one. New things now, they shark. So at this point, I tell my son, say, you did not open it to give my phone, I beg. I don't want you to go spoil my phone, because this phone, I beg, man, not talk the remaining one. If I talk the remaining one now, something. So that's it, guys. So this one is the phone. The package everywhere, the back and the front, they package it. Oh god, new things are good though. New things is so sweet. So this is it, guys. So can you see the thing? So it's so good, it's so beautiful. At this point, I remove the back. I have to give the phone to my son to remove the front, because we are doing it together. So at this point, my son is weighing the phone. He said, this phone is a bit heavy. I said, no, it's not heavy. It's the same thing. Remove the front. So before he now remove the front, then he come and tell me, say, mama, this front, e be like say e be like mirror. At this point, I have to take the phone back from him, because my guy, na new things. New things now. He dey shark person for body. So that's it, guys. So at this point, they use am dey measure his phone. So I can't tell am say you need to throw that thing, because if you put that thing for your phone, you will not be able to be seeing everything that is. So that's it. So at this point, I want to use that pin now. This pin and the charger. This is the only thing that it came with. I was even expecting earphones. Son, I not try. Now not put earphone for me. Hey, this money no is small money. I take buy this phone, but never mind. I want am. So at this point, I say, okay, I go charge the phone. I need to test the phone to know if the charger is working well, if everything is okay. Forget say na new thing. So I don check am. They check everything. So this one wey I dey show you, so I don buy am tey. I don buy all of the keep tey before this one even come. Don buy everything, this secret glass, everything. I don buy and keep. I say, as soon as the phone just come, I just fix everything, because I don't want the phone to come then before I come start to the order all these accessories. So I also order this thing you are seeing. Yes. Can you see? So let's fix it. Right. See. Wow, this camera is so good. It's so good. It's just look at Chris. Chris, come let them see you. Let them see you. Come now, they are not seeing you. Don't look at this camera. They lie too much. So the camera is so good, babe. Come see better phone. Because somebody talking about my son said this camera is like mirror. Do you know what I'll do? I will make a video, I will make a video for this ultra and my old phone, my old phone and ultra. So I'll make the two videos for you guys to see the difference. See my son, see. Can you see? You look so good. You look so good. I like this one for you look so good. Did you sleep good? You sleep well. Mama have new phone. Did you see it? Yeah. I'll see something. So it's like this. Like this. Like this. Yeah. You sure it will enter? Yes. Are you sure? Yes, urgent. It's like this. Yes. She said, "Say, no enter." To enter. Yes. It's inside already. Okay, one is art. Two is art.
The main one. It's hard. So this one is empty. See, this one we fix it already. Yeah, can you see? The glass.
Or did come with it?
I bought it. I buy it. Yes, please. Where is that distance?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're bending it. Straight. Wait. You have to be straight. Wait. Yeah, good. You have to be bending it like so easy.
Then you have to move this up.
Wait. I did not do fingerprint. I have to see do fingerprint too.
I swipe. Remote. Then you can buy with that one tens of that kind of phone.
So it's time to add this one now. It's the same color, you know. Hmm? So guys, it's so simple, you know. It's so simple to fix. With this one now, my phone can fall down, nothing will happen to it, you know. So this is it. Thank you all for watching. I think okay, you have to see the I think when you want to wash something, you can do it like this, you know. I think it's like this. Eh, how? Okay, like this or the how? So how did they do this?
That's just
Okay, I think it's like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can hang your phone like this, then you wash. You can use it to do whatever you want to do. You just hang it like this or like this. My son is coming. So guys, thank you all for watching. I want to clear this place. Thank you for watching. So my new phone is here. My new phone is here, guys. This is so good. Let me see if I can install WhatsApp, you know. Can you guys see? My phone is on, but you will not see it except I show you like this. When I do it like this, you won't see what I'm doing with my phone, you know, because of this glass. This glass that I put. It's my girlfriend that introduced the glass to me. So this is it. It's secret glass. So my girlfriend introduced it to me. She introduced it to me. So this is it. I'm operating my phone. But when you are sitting close to me, you don't know what I'm doing in my phone. But except you have to come and check inside. So but sit. So you not see anything that I'm doing. So thank you all for watching. So guys, not easy. I'm done unboxing my phone. I am done unboxing, you know. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, leave comment by the comment section below, you know. Comment, share, you know. So guys, this is my new phone. This is my new phone. Thank you all for watching and bye. So I have two phones now. Two or three. So thank you all for watching and bye. This camera is so good, you know.